The microplate feeder assay provides a simple, high-throughput, economical method to measure Drosophila feeding behavior, and it offers multiple advantages over other, more elaborate methods.
Quantifying consumption by measuring absorbance with a plate reader eliminates manual measurements and obviates manual data entry. Data are also amenable to programmatic extraction and processing.
With this high-throughput assay, we can quantify the consumption of water-soluble nutrients, drugs, pharmaceuticals, or toxins, and the system can be modified for applications to a variety of insect species.
Begin by pouring the molten agarose into a reagent trough and dispense 80 microliters of molten agarose into each well of a 96-well microplate using a multi-channel pipette. Refrigerate the leftover agarose for up to a week in a sealed bag and remelt it for making additional plates. If the barrier strips are too loose, coil them around the finger to give them curvature to hold them in the channels. Insert the barrier strips into the barrier strip channels to prepare the couplers. Affix the coupler to a starvation plate, making sure not to use the coupler to manipulate the plate, as the coupler may slip off. Ensure that the angled corner of the coupler matches the angled corner of the microplate to maintain correct orientation. Under CO2 anesthesia, sort 3 to 5 day-old flies. Load individual flies by column into the starvation plate.